Today, I want to just show you guys an update that we've made on specifically on the content side of things. We believe that content is the future. Anybody who's making any real money online, do it because they have the ability to create content. They feed into these platforms like short form, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube Shorts, name all these platforms. They all are dying for more assets that humans can consume, right? So if you end up becoming part of the group that creates those assets, then you deserve the ability to acquire attention for close to nothing. Now, before we had this canvas experience where if you wanted to create an asset, you had to essentially click here and then add your prompt and then generate. Works the same way with video. You could kind of like choose what you want to, what video you want, and then you could generate, right? And the other feature that we also had was this idea that you could find agents here. These are like presets, agents or logics of how we do certain things. I'm going to show you guys. We had the viral agent, which essentially scrapes our database. Every single day we scrape thousands of content online of what's going viral in different niches. Since we're going after B2B, we're selling AI solutions to businesses. So let's say I want to go after dentist. Find me viral content in the dental space. So I could just get this agent to essentially pull from our database. As you guys can see here, it's pulling from our database. And then you're going to see all these viral content. But the problem with this experience was that you go from here and maybe you can ask like, hey, based on this here, create for me a new chat or a new script based on this, and that would work. But that's still, it's like it's broken because you do this research here and then you have to go on the cooking station for the content side of things. So what we decided to do is we decided to scrape this and merge it all in one. How does this work? Is we created this new experience, which is creating content is now a chat experience. All you need to do is you can choose to describe what you want to create, kind of like how you would do with ChatGPT. You just have a conversation, or you can start with find me viral content in dental. The content is going to be found right here, and whatever you like, you then take it. I want you to create a 40-second clip based on, and I want you to use at Cook with Serge as the cameo / avatar. The entire experience flows as one, where now this agent, it's literally a content agent, is gonna come up with everything you want. Actually, let me ask it, which do you recommend? Comedy skit with crossover flavor, recommended. Let's do the comedy skit. It will write the script for every single clip. 1, clip 2, clip 3. Since Sora is still capped to 10 seconds, what we've done is we've engineered it so that it will create each clip separately, but then it will also stitch it together. So now these videos are now 40-second long. Yes, please. And then all you have to do is agree with the prompt. And FYI, you can go ahead and go deeper and cook this up much better than I'm doing it right now. So you can literally, for every single scene, you can prompt it better. You can bring your own prompts for every single clip, and it starts cooking. So as you guys can see here, it's generating. I'm going to pause for a second, but essentially once it's done, it is going to pop up a little message here, and then all you have to do is just toggle here, and you can see all the clips that I've generated, right? But for now, let's just wait for this one to cook. All right, the video is done. Took a few minutes because it's pretty heavy. So now let's go check it out. Boom.
Folks, welcome back to the kitchen / dental lab. Today we're whipping up a sparkling smile. First ingredient,
mind you, this is like a comedy skit, so
32-tooth sampler needs a polished marinade. Chef's a little nervous. These knives are motorized. We'll set the...
All right, like any good stew, you start with a clean pan. That's what the rinse is for. Chef Doctor has the salt shaker. That's the suction. Too much? That's when you oversalt the soup. Now we're seasoning with a little stainless steel...
Serge, open a little wider for me. Try not to talk, okay? But the sauce needs narration. First, you want to sear the garlic real good, like sizzle. Serge, then a pinch of salt. Pinch it with love, not fear.
You're making me fresh out the chair, palate still tingling. Look at that shine. Perfect plating. Tooth 12, crisp edges, velvety enamel center, fluoride glaze with a minty finish, chef's kiss.
Chef's kiss. Anyway, this is one example. This is the other.
Hi, Serge. Welcome to Brightside Dental. I'm Tara, your hygienist today. How are you?
Hi, good. Wow, this place is fancy.
We'll take good care of you. And that chef coat looks sharp.
Thanks. Honestly, I feel like I should be cooking, not getting my...
Check it out. Taking care of your gums is just like seasoning a dish.
You can have the whole recipe perfect, but if you forget the key ingredients,
flat.
exactly, like skipping the garlic. This, floss, rinse, little pinch.
Bristles should meet the gum line at about 45 degrees like this. Small, gentle circles. It's less about force and more about sweeping the plaque away.
So not straight on, kind of angled up into it.
Exactly.
All set, look at that. Feeling great. That's the smile.
That's the smell. The bet here is that as long as we keep cooking, we don't even need to worry about these videos getting better, because one thing is for sure, OpenAI is trying to get $1 trillion in infrastructure build out. So they're going to do everything they can to make sure that the video quality is good. So 6 months ago, this wasn't possible. And if this wasn't possible 6 months ago, and this is what we can create, what do you think happens 6 months from now? Our bet is that we believe that we're going to give access to everyone the leverage that every content creator has access to, primarily because then you can create assets of yourself, but most importantly because then you can go to businesses and create for them assets that they would never in a million years be able to create. Most importantly, this was just what it generated, but I want you guys to think about, if I just spent the next 30 minutes creating and finding the right prompts, I could make something that would look amazing and that would get everybody to stop scrolling, right? But yeah, this is just one of the features that I wanted to show you guys. This research thing here is coming along really nice. This is new. This is something we haven't talked about. I might drop it on November 29th, but speak soon. Bye-bye.